Bonjour, Kakina Awia. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. Where are you? My name is Michael Lyons. And this is Natasha. Ikadon Bonjour. Natasha, say hello. Bonjour, Gakira Awia. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. And today, hey, you know what? What's that? I think we should start today with a song. Do you mind if I play Speed Trap Town? No, that'd be great. This is a song by the Rockstar cartoonist, and it's called Speed Trap Town. She said it's none of my business, but it breaks my heart. Dropped a dozen cheap roses in my shopping cart. Made it out to the truck without breaking down. I guess everybody knows you in a speed trap town. Never did occur to me to leave. Never did occur to me to leave. And it's a Thursday night, but there's a high school game. Sneak a bottle up the bleachers and forget my name. And these 5A bastards run a shallow cross. It's a boy's last dream and a man's first loss. It never did occur to me to leave till tonight, when there's no one left to ask if I'm alright. I signed my name and I said my last goodbyes, and decide if there's anything that can't be left behind. Doctor said Daddy wouldn't make it a year, but the holidays are over and he's still here. How long can they keep you in the ICU? Veins through the skin like a faded tattoo. Never did occur to me to leave till the night when I realized he'll never be alright. I signed my name and I said my last goodbye, and decide that there's nothing left that can't be left behind. got blurry when the sun came up. So I slept a couple hours in my pickup truck. Had a cup of coffee at an Indian mound, 1,000 miles away from that speed trap town. It never did occur to me to leave. It never did occur to me to leave. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. What? Ladies and gentlemen, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. That was awesome, dude. Hey, thanks so much. Oh, it never did occur to me to leave. Huh, sweetie. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, NANABOOZHOO. Okay, boozhoo, kakinawiya. John Redcord's here. Oh, boozhoo, John. Hey, John. Way down in Louisiana, can we get a gold star? I'm gonna give a gold star to John Redcord. Boozhoo, John. Jim Dunn. Jim, me quetch for the beautiful earrings. What's this now? Jim sent me some earrings. You're getting earrings? You're getting jewelry from other men? Yeah. Hey, that's not cool. Hey, Jim, you better quit giving jewelry to my girlfriend. Get out of here. Jim, how to say miigwech. Miigwech, Jim Dunn, for the beautiful earrings. We really appreciate it. Let's give Jim a silver star for being second in class. Okay. And what else is going on, baby, baby? Oh, I don't know, not much. You got a Ojibwe phrase of the day? Today is the Ojibwe phrase of the day. Ishkwa aname e gishagud. Day after prayer day. Today's day after, or Monday. That's kind of a word and a phrase. Yeah. You know. Hey, sweetie pie. Yeah? Would you mind teleporting me out and into the future? Sure. I want to go to when it's a little later and Halloween-y. You got it. You guys want to come with me out? We're going to go step outside. All right. And, okay, you got to start. All right. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Boozhoo! Welcome back to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. My name is Natasha, and oh, what a beautiful night. Dybbuk Jesus, Dybbuk Jesus, the nighttime Jesus, nighttime sun we call it, Dybbuk Jesus. But I thought I'd come out and say a little prayer. Put out my tobacco to the Great Spirit. You know, say hello to Gitchimanadu, ask him how he's doing. So I'll grab us a little pinch of Asema. Do I have it here? Well, today is Ishkwa Anama E Gishagud. Ishkwa Anama E Gishagud. It's after prayer day. We call Sundays after prayer day. That was yesterday. But tonight, it's Monday after prayer day. But just because it's after prayer day doesn't mean you shouldn't pray. So today I'm going to say my prayer. Boozhoo, Gitchimanadu. Hello, Great Spirit. Anishna Ajiyayan. Anishna Ajiyayan. How are you? Namino Aya. I'm fine. Takawi tukawishan. Ando minawe noongum. Please help me to speak well today. Miigwech. Thanks. Apenge. Amen. Apenge. Amen. Oh, wow, somebody made a really beautiful fire. Ishkode. Ishkode. A fire. Fire! I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, and you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I lost my job just the other day, and like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow. For all we know, it just might snow. And what'll I do when we become, when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we aren't so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I'm so sorry, I never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Sit up at night just so I could watch you. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Michael loves Natasha. But I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word I said. But I'm so sorry. I'd never treat you like that again. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word I said. On today's Auntie Natasha's moment of NANABOOZHOO, moment of wisdom, I just want to talk about, I don't know. Should I talk about Halloween? I'm not going to celebrate Halloween anymore. That stuff's too satanic for me. I used to love Halloween when I was a little girl. I would always make my own costumes. You know, you can do a lot if you're creative. I went as a scarecrow, Alice Cooper, Kiss. What else did I go as? A mummy. Yeah, I would always make my own costumes. And I like dressing up. But there was one time, here's a story. Some people just don't understand the spirit of Halloween. Well, maybe they do, actually. Maybe it's me who never understood it. Because I used to love Halloween. I used to love dressing up, even as a grown-up. And there was this one year at tribal college, they always made a big deal out of Halloween. All the staff and teachers and students would dress up. And in the offices, in our cubicles, we made kind of a spook house. We decorated it all up, and the kids could come through the cubicles. And then the idea was that the staff who were dressed up in Halloween costumes could poke their heads out and give candy to the kids as they go through this office spook house. That's what I thought we were doing. So the big day comes. The office is all decorated. And the lights are down, but there's like glowing lights and cobwebs. And everyone's in costumes. And the kids from the reservation come by, from the school buses, drop them off. And these are little guys. These are like kindergartners. And they come into our office, and it's all like Halloween-y. And they walk in with their little trick-or-treat bags. And what happens? These grown adults in terrifying monster masks jump out of their cubicle and scream at them. Ah! And the kids start crying. And they just get moved through, and one by one, these adults dressed as monsters are screaming at kids. Well, my cubicle's down in the end, and by this time, I'm seeing one after another crying children coming down, scared out of their wits. And I go, what are you idiots doing? Stop! The final guy, Will St. Cyr, the 6'4", 275-pound Indian guy dressed as a werewolf. He's the grand finale of the spook house. He jumps out, picks the kid up. Kid's screaming his full head off, crying, and he's growling. Ah! I just got up and walked out. I went, these guys are nuts. What is this? Is this Halloween? Scaring children? I was like, forget it. I don't want any part of this. So, whatever. And then do you think about just the whole stupid holiday? It's like once a year, children are encouraged to go threaten their neighbors with terrorism if they don't give them candy. Trick or treat! Trick or treat! You're like, what? What do you mean by that? Well, we're going to give us a treat or you get a trick. It's like, all right, trick. Let's see your trick. You're going to pull a rabbit out of a hat? No, we're going to egg your house. Oh, beautiful. This is terrorism. I don't deal with terrorists. No. So you give them your stupid candy. Here, have some Snickers bars. Oh, I want to be known as the cool adult. I give you Snickers mini bar. You know, whatever. Halloween's stupid. Halloween's stupid. And this has been your Auntie Natasha's moment of NANABOOZHOO. Wisdom. Wisdom. NANABOOZHOO. And I'm done with Halloween. I don't care. I like autumn. And if I want to dress up in a costume, guess what? I can do that any day of the year. I'm an American. You don't have to wait for the man to tell you, okay, here's the one day of the year you can dress up. I don't need your permission, Halloween Nazis. And this is bad. No. What? Nothing, I'm just listening. Ladies and gentlemen, NANABOOZHOO. You want to do a song? Yeah, sure. All right, we're going to sing a song. Which one is this? Is that one Michael wrote? Oh, is this the, bitters came up better on a stolen guitar? Yep. All right. Miigwetchka Bisadowie egg. Thank you for listening. They don't play it no more, but I remember a time in 1984, or maybe 85. He sang the Salvation Army band played, the children drunk lemonade, and the morning lasted all day. But the bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. And how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say. They say. And he never would have waved goodbye. You could see it written through his eyes as the train rolled out a side of the station. And through an open window came, like Sinatra in her younger days, pushing the clouds away. But the bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. And now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. And how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say. They say. They say. Okay. And in winter 1963, it felt like the world would freeze. John F. Kennedy and the Beatles. Oh, la-di-di-da-di. Oh, sweetie.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and very talented.
Oh, get out of here.
That was cool, sweetie.
Yeah, you too, baby doll.
Miigwech bizin dawi egg. Thank you for listening.
Sweetie, you got such a beautiful voice.
Oh, get out of here.
Ladies and gentlemen, NANABOOZHOO, the one and the only. And apparently a host of a show that he's never actually on.
Yeah, really.
What?
Nothing.
You guys want to see behind the curtain? Come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your Oh, don't look at me like that. You know full well everything about Quiet Riot. You know, people forget that when Quiet Riot album came... Michael?
Yeah, I'm listening.
When people forget Quiet Riot came out with that mental health album, and it became #1 over the Police Synchronicity album.
Yeah.
And it was also over Michael Jackson's Thriller. Okay, you guys? Or maybe it was Bad. I forget which one. Yeah, I think it was Thriller. Have some respect for Quiet Riot, you guys.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. How's it going, everybody? Oh, man. Hey, Curtis is here. Sweetie, did you notice Curtis is here?
Oh, bonjour, Curtis.
Hey, Curtis, what's going on? Michael, how your book selling?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Well, we sold a few last month, but I never know until the end of the month.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You know, the camera isn't really in a good spot.
Do you want me to move it?
Yeah, can you? Yeah, can you?
How you guys doing? I hope it's not upsetting when I kind of show you behind the scenes. I did a kindergarten class once, and I did this joke where I pretended Natasha died.
Oh, yeah, that was so not funny. We're at this kindergarten class, and Michael's like, oh, hey, kids, just in case you're not, be careful. Natasha doesn't have a very good heart. Once in a while, she...
And all the kids just gasped.
Yeah, uncool, man. So, today, baby, oh, baby. If you'd like to learn more Ojibwe words and phrases, check out Ojibwe Words and Phrases by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. There's a link in the description box to Michael's Amazon page. And it's only like $9 or something like that. Hey, you know what else I noticed?
What's that?
They've got some of your books on sale used.
Used?
Yeah, that means somebody bought your book and went, nah, I don't want it, and sent it back. Is that what that means? It's gotta be. How do they sell used books of yours? But you can get them on sale for like half price, used somehow. Anyway, and you got any other books?
I don't think so.
Okay. Ojibwe words and phrases. Na 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 na. Okay.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
You got a call on line 2.
Oh, you're kidding. Let's see. Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hello there, Natasha. It's me, Tonto.
Johnny Depp?
Well, I would appreciate it if you would use my Indian name, Tonto.
Sweetie, it's Tonto.
Okay, hey, bonjour, Tonto. How you doing? Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. I'm doing very well. Very well indeed.
Hey, it's awesome to see you. I love that movie, Lone Ranger and Tonto.
Yes, it was quite a good time, although the other Native Americans, they teased me quite bad.
They teased you?
Yeah, when I showed up on the set, they kept referring to me as the Anishinaabe Clown Posse.
The Anishinaabe Clown Posse?
Yeah, I didn't quite understand why.
Maybe it's because you're dressed up like you're in the insane clown posse, or... I always thought, you must have thought... Like, why did you put that white makeup on?
Well, I'll be honest with you, Natasha. I didn't read the script.
You didn't read the script.
Yeah. I thought they were making a remake of The Crow. I thought I was going to remake Brandon Lee's movie from the 90s, The Crow. So I put on makeup and a crow on my head. And I thought, well, I'll be the Crow. But it turns out it was a Western. Lone Ranger and Tonto.
Yeah, that's exactly right. I remember when I heard about it. I thought you were going to be, I thought they were remaking, who's that guy?
Billy Jack?
Yeah, Billy Jack. I thought you were going to be the new Billy Jack. But turns out you were a Tonto. But still, I didn't care. I thought you looked cool. Hey, is there any truth to the rumors that you're going to replace Paul Stanley in Kiss after he retires?
That's preposterous. Where did you hear that?
Well, I don't know. People are talking because I know you played guitar with Gene Simmons once and you got the makeup. And you're probably the only person in the world that Kiss fans would accept as a lead singer for the band.
Well, that's quite a compliment. But you know, I'm already playing guitar with the Hollywood Vampires, as it were.
Oh yeah, Alice Cooper and them.
Yes.
Still, you should think about it. Being Kiss.
Yeah, maybe I will.
All right. Well, baby doll, should we call that a show? Oh, I'm sorry, Johnny.
You can call me Tonto.
I mean Tonto. Did you want to learn a Ojibwe word of the day?
Yeah, I was wondering if I could learn, how does one say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye because we always know we'll see you again. So we say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa.
Well then, Natasha, let me say to you, Gigawabamin, Minowa.
Yeah.
And NANABOOZHOO. Yeah, Gigawabamin, Minowa. Yeah, Gigawabamin, Minowa, Johnny Depp. You can call me Tonto. Oh, right, sorry. We'll see you, Tonto.
He really wants to go by that Indian name.
Yeah, well, he's walking the red road now.
That's what I hear. He's walking the path. I'll use his Indian name. I don't care. I don't respect pronouns, but I definitely respect proper nouns. Yeah. You want to change your name? Sure, I'll call you that. Jim Todd says, I'm really glad you like the earrings. Oh, I love them. They're beautiful. And I'm hoping, I'm not trying to snag you. Well, I don't know. I'm starting to blush.
Hey, man, you better not be.
No. All right, Michael. That's good. Okay. Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate it. If you'd like to support the show, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. And Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist, has well, we all have it, actually. But GoFundMe. in the description box. You can support us there. And Patreon, PayPal, and Michael's books. But otherwise, just being here, we appreciate it. Miigwech, kapisa dawiyeg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
And this is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much, everyone.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Ho. All right, fellas. Let's call that a show. Miigwech. Stop streaming.